I think the stars are aligning for Pepe coin to explode massively to the upside. In this video, we're going to be looking at Pepe price update. We're going to be comparing a lot of data, a lot of chart, in order to come into a conclusion what we should expect for Pepe coin. We are going to be looking at a lot of chart. The BTC dominance is already correcting. If you are paying attention now, pay attention. The dominance is already correcting, and that's why Pepe coin is having a fun time, like seriously, among all the meme coin. Now, if you're comparing the top meme coins in the space, the top 3 meme coins in the space, you will notice Pepe is the only meme coin with the highest trading volume so far in the last 24 hours. Now look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin trading volume is currently at $2.8 billion. Shiba Inu is currently at $1.2 billion, but Pepe coin alone is currently at $4.4 billion. That is the trading volume of both the OGs, the both OGs, which is Shiba Inu and Dogecoin combined, couldn't even reach the current trading volume of Pepe coin. Not to talk of the remaining meme coins in the space like Dog with Halved, Floki, Bonk, and the rest. You understand? If you are even if you are combining the market cap of Floki, Inu, and Bonk, it's not even up to the current trading volume of Pepe coin. I've said this times without numbers. Pepe is the new king of this meme season. Now, this meme season, Pepe is clearly the new king. No disrespect to the OGs such as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, but Pepe is the king of this meme season that we are approaching already. Now let's look at Pepe coin price real quick. This is Pepe coin on the daily time frame. We talked about this chart a couple of hours ago, and I told you guys the potential price target when Pepe was still below the current price was around 0.40129. That is almost 1 tree. You understand? Technically 1 tree. Now what happened? Let's pay attention now. The moment Pepe broke above that price target, it corrected all the exactly to 0.40130. That is to tell you that area was respected, clearly respected. And this correction we are currently having corrected to that area, and then we got another price push once again to 0.40137. Sooner or later, the current market cap, let's look at the market cap real quick. The current market cap of Pepe is sitting at $5.7 billion. I'm currently up over 190x. That is over 19,000% from my entry last year, April 2023. Yeah, I think I entered Pepe around $31 million market cap. I am my private group members. So if you're looking at the trading volume is up 89% in the last 24 hours alone. We are currently ranked number 6th position by volume out of over 9,000 active cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. While by market cap, we are currently ranked number 21st position out of all the cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. Our price is up almost 23% in the last 24 hours. That's crazy, like seriously. Now, if you're paying attention to the top 15 altcoins, you will notice Pepe is currently outperforming the remaining altcoin in the space. This is another indication. Pepe started the mini altcoin season we had in April 2023. That same Pepe is about to kickstart the alt season, the major alt season. I think either phase 2 alt season we are about to enter. Because if you're paying attention, I've shown you guys this chart times without number. This is the BTC dominance. And I told you this dominance is an indication of when we are going to begin to enter the alt season. The alt season is when your favorite altcoin will begin to move massively. I'm talking about altcoin with good utility, good hype, good community support, good meme, good narrative. Altcoin with dedicated team behind it, dedicated community support, cult-like community support. Now the BTC dominance is currently at 54%. Remember the last video, the dominance was heading to this trend line, and I told you guys we are likely to get a rejection, a correction from around 56%. You can go and watch the previous video. That was exactly what happened. When we approached 56% for the BTC dominance, we got a correction from there all the way to 54. I think the correction happened all the way to, let me check it out real quick. Yeah, 54%. So the moment we begin the correction to 52%, that is an indication that we are already in the early stage of the alt season we all have been waiting for. And that is the stage Pepe coin will begin her explosion to the upside. 52% is my first price target for the BTC dominance correction. 47% is my second correction price area. 42% is my final personal price correction area for the BTC dominance. If it goes below 42%, I think that's good to go, because the greater the dump or the correction for the BTC dominance, the better the chances of our altcoin exploding to the upside. Now let me show you guys a chart real quick, an altcoin chart to be precise. This is the total tree altcoin market excluding Ethereum and BTC. We are currently at $700 billion. We've talked about this price level times without number in my video, $643 billion zone. Now what happened? We got a sharp dump from there, but each time we get a dump from there, we end up closing the candle above it. That is a sign that this $643 billion zone is a very important area for the altcoin market. And now we have successfully flipped that zone into a support. The next potential price target is going to be $832 billion. That is the next obvious price target. Before then, we are likely to maybe just experience a correction around $785 billion market cap. Now we have the overall altcoin hasn't even broken above their previous all-time high, which was around $1 trillion. BTC has already broken her all-time high. The altcoin market is yet to break their all-time high. So just imagine what will happen by the time we break the all-time high. It's going to be a moonshot to the upside. Now let's talk about potential correction area for Pepe coin, because nothing goes up forever. You understand? I'm talking about potential correction zone for the short term. Now, potential correction zone is the previous price target we had, which is 0.4013. You understand? And that is a potential correction zone. And then another potential correction level, a buy level, if you ask me, is 0.4011429. That zone is very, 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 very important. Now you have to pay attention to 0.508890. That zone is as well. That zone has proven to be extremely significant for the Pepe coin correction. So this 3 level is a buy zone for me, if you ask me. Is a long zone for me, if you ask me. So that's that for that. Let's check the overall crypto market sentiment real quick. We are currently at 76%, which is indicating extreme greed. I like that. Yesterday was extreme greed. Today is extreme greed. Good. Nice one. Let's make our way to 80-90% and kickstart the alt season real quick. Like seriously. So Pepe is having a nice time. Steady price increase to the upside, as you can see on your chart. Steady price increase to the upside is very, very massive, like seriously. And yeah. Now, if you're paying attention to this BTC price chart, I've shown you guys this chart times without number. After the first BTC halving, we got almost 9,000% pump. After the 2016 halving, we got almost 3,000% pump for BTC. After the 2020 halving, we got almost 600% pump. Now, the truth of the matter is, after every halving, we usually reduce in the performance. The performance of BTC usually reduced, you understand, because the market cap is getting bigger and bigger. Now, if we are even to pump 100% from this current price, which is 70K, I think it will take us way above $140,000 for BTC. And if we are even to pump 200%, it's going to take us close to 200, if not more than $200,000 for a price of BTC. The interesting part is we haven't even really begun the pump yet. The usual pump BTC usually get after the halving. The 2024 halving, after the 2024 halving, we haven't even begun that pump. Just imagine what will happen when BTC goes ballistic. My God, the overall crypto market is going to explode. Now let's look at this BTC price chart I showed you guys day before yesterday. I told you the moment we are able to flip $72,000 zone into a support, then expect BTC to go ballistic, like seriously, all the way to 80 and 90k zone. But we are unable to break past the 72k. We came to the $72,000. Okay, we came all the way to $71,979 and then got a correction from there. But the potential support zone for BTC, I think the most obvious one is around $67,610. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. And as always, my name is Isaac. If you haven't liked my video, like the video. It really means a lot to me, and I really appreciate your support. But that doesn't mean BTC can still want to maybe retest the 72k once again. We might still want to retest the 72k to test the water to see if we can break above that, because that was what has happened multiple times. Each time we approach the 72k, we get a correction. We approach, we get a correction. Same thing happened here. So we might want to repeat the previous performance, the previous pattern BTC has had in the past. So yeah, that's that for that. Hold on to your Pepe coin very, very well. The real move hasn't even started. We can easily see $30 billion market cap for Pepe coin. We can easily see 50. A lot of people are shouting and clamoring for 50 billion already. It's giving me the vibe we had with Shiba Inu in 2021, when a lot of people started clamoring for $40 billion market cap for Shiba Inu, which happened. So anything can happen. $50 billion can happen. $100 billion can happen. Like seriously, don't underestimate the power of the community. My name is Isaac once again. Like this video if you haven't already. Peace out.